Hello, and thank you for watching Engage Black's demo video on installing client software for Windows operating system for our BlackVault HSM. We have more demo videos that cover a variety of topics on our website as well. Depending on your operating system, Windows or Linux will be suitable for you. Alright, let's get started with Windows. There is a software setup CD that comes with the BlackVault HSM. To install the software, insert the setup CD. Click on the CD drive. For Windows, double-click the BV setup CD. You will be asked if you want to install this software. Select Yes in order to proceed. The installer will ask, would you like to configure the BlackVault for Java? Select Yes or No. For now, we will press No. You will be asked to enter an IP address. The settings we are using here, we configured in a previous video. Use your appropriate settings. Ours are for demo purposes. Press Next. Now you have two options, the PKCS11 library or the Engage BlackVault crypto provider. The only difference is that you either have the PKCS11 or you have the PKCS11 and the CNG library. We will select the Engage BlackVault crypto provider, so we have both options. Press Next. The installer then gives a summary of items to be installed. Press Install to continue. The installer then installs all the components. Once the installer has completed, press Finish. And that completes our demo video for installing client software for Windows operating system for Engage Black's BlackVault HSM. We also have an additional video covering Linux operating system. For further information, check out our other videos on our website. If you still have any further questions, contact our customer support and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.